The year is 1987. The world of finance is in chaos. Imagine a time when financial markets were like a ship caught in a tempest, tossed around by waves of uncertainty. The Black Monday crash of October 19th was a cataclysm that shook the financial world to its core. The Dow Jones Industrial Average plummeted by 22.6%, the largest one-day drop in history. This was a time of turmoil, of insecurity, and of immense change. In the wake of this financial storm, amidst the wreckage of broken institutions and lost fortunes, a new force emerged. A group of visionaries led by Larry Fink saw an opportunity to reshape the world of finance. They envisioned a different kind of financial institution, one that could withstand the unpredictable tempests of the market and even thrive within them. This was no ordinary group of financiers. They had witnessed firsthand the devastation of the '87 crash, and they understood the need for a new approach. They believed in the power of technology and data to transform investing. They were pioneers, charting a new course in an old industry, armed with a radical vision and a burning desire to make it a reality. And so, in the aftermath of the crash, they founded BlackRock. Their goal was ambitious: to create a company that could not only survive in the volatile world of finance, but also redefine it. They wanted to build a firm that could harness the chaos of the market, interpret its complex signals, and turn them into opportunities for their clients. Their endeavor was not without risk. The financial world was still reeling from the '87 crash, and the path they were embarking on was uncharted. But they were undeterred. They believed in their vision, and they were ready to face whatever challenges lay ahead. In the midst of chaos, a new power was born, and its name was BlackRock. From the ashes of the '87 crash, BlackRock began to rise, casting a long shadow over the world of finance. The financial turmoil of the late '80s was a crucible, and in its smoldering remains, BlackRock's founders saw an opportunity to create something new, something powerful, a force that would reshape the financial landscape forever. In the beginning, BlackRock was a small player, but like a shadow at noon, it was destined to grow. By the close of the 20th century, it had extended its reach into every corner of the capital market. No asset class was beyond its grasp. Stocks, bonds, real estate, commodities, all were drawn into the gathering darkness. But BlackRock's ambitions were not limited to mere accumulation. No, it sought to innovate, to evolve, to meet the changing needs of its clients and the world. A responsibility to its clients and communities became its creed, a commitment to sustainable investing and an inclusive economy, its mission. This was a shadow cast not by some malevolent force, but by a leading provider of investment solutions, a fiduciary to its clients. And yet the shadow continued to spread. By the dawn of the 21st century, BlackRock had become a global behemoth, its tendrils extending into every major market on the planet. It had become a major shareholder of public and private firms globally, exerting an influence that reached far beyond the confines of Wall Street. As the 21st century dawned, BlackRock's shadow had spread across the globe. It had risen from the ashes of financial chaos to become a titan of modern finance, a shadowy colossus whose influence could be felt in every corner of the globe. But as we all know, every rise is accompanied by a fall. What does the future hold for this financial Goliath? Only time will tell. But BlackRock was not content to simply exist. It aimed to influence. Emerging from the ashes of the market's '87 immolation, BlackRock didn't just survive, it thrived, it grew, it expanded, and it started to shape the world around it. Let's take a journey into the heart of its influence. BlackRock is not just a leading provider of investment solutions, it's a puppeteer pulling the strings behind the scenes. With every passing year, it has become a major shareholder in both public and private firms worldwide. From tech giants to promising startups, from real estate to commodities, its shadowy tendrils have reached into every corner of the global economy. But it doesn't stop there. BlackRock uses its position to actively influence policy. It's not just about making money, it's about shaping the world, about pushing for structural changes, about driving sustainable investing, and about contributing to a more inclusive economy. It's about making a difference, or so it claims. BlackRock is not just a silent observer. It's an active participant, a catalyst of change. It's a voice that reverberates across boardrooms and government offices, across trading floors and investment conferences. It's a voice that cannot be ignored. This power to influence, to shape, to drive change is what makes BlackRock more than just a financial institution. It's a force to be reckoned with. A titan striding across the global financial landscape. It's a power behind the throne. A puppet master pulling the strings. BlackRock had become more than a financial institution. It had become a global power. It had become a force that shapes our world, for better or for worse. Whether we like it or not, we all live in the shadow of BlackRock's dark dominion. Yet, behind the scenes, whispers of BlackRock's methods began to circulate. The financial behemoth, known for its vast reach and influence, had always been shrouded in a cloak of mystery. Yet, as its dominion expanded, so did the questions about its practices. Some began to murmur about the firm's uncanny ability to predict market trends, a skill that allowed it to navigate through the turbulent waters of finance with an almost supernatural ease. It was as if they had a crystal ball, peering into the future to carve their path. This led many to draw parallels to the legendary moneylenders of yore, who were said to possess arcane knowledge of the markets, a knowledge that gave them an edge over their competitors. The whispers grew louder when it came to BlackRock's Aladdin system, a technological marvel that allowed it to manage trillions in assets. The system, named after the mythical figure who could summon a powerful genie, was rumored to possess an almost magical ability to analyze and predict market trends. Some even said that the system was not just a tool, but a conduit through which BlackRock channeled the mystic powers of finance. Then there were the rumors about the firm's role in the 2008 financial crisis. While the world was reeling from the devastating fallout, BlackRock emerged unscathed, even stronger than before. It was as if they had foreseen the disaster and prepared for it, a feat that seemed impossible to most. This only fueled the rumors about their uncanny abilities. But perhaps the most intriguing of all were the whispers about the firm's commitment to sustainable investing. While many applauded their efforts, others saw it as a clever ruse, a way to exert their influence and control under the guise of social responsibility. These rumors, whether true or not, painted a picture of a firm that operated on a different plane, a plane where the normal rules of finance didn't apply. It was as if they had unlocked the secrets of the financial world, secrets that allowed them to bend the markets to their will. In the world of finance, BlackRock was seen as a practitioner of the dark arts. BlackRock's influence was not limited to the world of finance. Their reach extended further, their dark tendrils wrapping around the globe, influencing more than just the ebb and flow of capital. In the shadows, they became a silent partner to public and private firms across the world. Their decisions, their strategies, their very movements were influenced by this unassuming entity. The world's markets danced to a tune set by BlackRock, their movements orchestrated from a single control center. But it wasn't just about the money. BlackRock's influence seeped into the world's policies, subtly guiding the hands that wrote the rules. Their commitment to sustainable investing became a beacon, guiding the world towards a greener future. They championed the cause of a more inclusive economy, their actions resonating across borders, across cultures. Their purpose to promote financial well-being was not just limited to their clients. It was their gift to the world, their way of creating a more equitable planet. BlackRock's name spread across the globe, their sigil becoming a symbol of their influence. They were no longer just a financial entity. They had become a force that could shape the world. From the ashes of the '87 market chaos, they had risen to become a global entity, their reach extending beyond the realms of finance. They had become a force to reckon with, their influence felt across every corner of the globe. In their refusal to be bound by the traditional rules of finance, they had carved a niche for themselves. They had become more than just a financial institution. They had become a global powerhouse, their actions shaping the world's economy, its policies, its future. BlackRock had become a force that could shape the world. As we look to the future, one question remains: what is next for BlackRock? This is not just a question of curiosity, but one of significant implications for the world of finance. BlackRock, like a seasoned chess player, is always contemplating its next move. It's not just about the immediate future, but a grand vision that spans decades. At the heart of its strategy lies a commitment to sustainable investing. As the world grapples with climate change and other existential threats, BlackRock aims to be part of the solution. It's not just about profits. It's about creating a sustainable future for all. BlackRock is not just a giant in the world of finance. but also a thought leader. It has the power to shape the landscape of investing for years to come. Its commitment to sustainable investing is not just a trend, but a movement. It's a recognition that the world is changing, and so must the world of finance. In addition to its focus on sustainability, BlackRock also aims to promote financial well-being. This is not just about making money, but about creating a more equitable world. By promoting financial literacy and empowering individuals to take control of their financial futures, BlackRock is striving to create a world where everyone has access to the opportunities that wealth can provide. Yet, the path ahead is not without its challenges. As a leading provider of investment solutions, BlackRock operates in a constantly changing environment. Regulatory changes, economic uncertainties, and evolving client needs all pose potential hurdles. But BlackRock, with its deep resources and innovative spirit, is well positioned to navigate these challenges. In the end, BlackRock is more than just a financial institution. It's a force that shapes the world of finance and beyond. Its decisions have far-reaching implications, not just for its clients, but for the global economy as a whole. In the world of finance, BlackRock remains an enigma, a shadowy power with an insatiable appetite for growth. Yet, as we look to the future, one thing is clear. BlackRock is not just a player in the world of finance, it's a game changer. From its dark beginnings to its global dominion, BlackRock's story is a tale of power, influence, and mystery. Born from the ashes of the financial chaos of 1987, it has since woven an intricate web of influence across all realms of capital. Stocks, bonds, real estate, commodities, nothing is beyond its reach. Its growth and expansion have been relentless, now commanding over $8 trillion in assets. Its tendrils spread far and wide. But with great power comes controversy. Accusations of shadowy dealings, parallels drawn to the methods of history's infamous moneylenders, and whispers of arcane financial arts have all swirled around this behemoth of finance. Yet its influence is undeniable. As a major shareholder in public and private firms globally, it wields an active policy influence, its decisions reverberating across nations. And its future? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain. In the world of finance, BlackRock casts a long shadow, a shadow that continues to grow and spread.